Dogfather. Today I'm going to make you a meal you cannot refuse. We're making beef bundles today, which is a great way of making a really simple stew on the grill. Our ingredients today are some veggies. I've got sweet onion, some gold and red petite potatoes, carrots, and cremini mushrooms. I've got about a pound of stew meat, my rub that I make up that will go on the stew meat, 2 cans of golden mushroom soup, and a little Worcestershire and some Tabasco. So I'm going to start by just putting the rub on my meat and just kind of rubbing it in a little bit. And these are called beef bundles because we use some heavy-duty aluminum foil. And I'm going to start by taking the onion, and I'm cooking for 2 people. I'm going to slice up the onion into a couple large slices, and then for each of these beef bundles, I'm going to put some onion at the bottom, and then some of our stew meat. And the remaining onion, I'm just going to slice into some large chunks. I think some of these I will just simply slice up a little bit as well. I'm also going to take my potatoes. I'm going to cut them in half just to expose the insides. I'm going to toss potatoes in my beef bundle along with some of the onion slices. I'm going to take the carrots. I'm just going to halve these. Throw those in here as well. And then some of the mushrooms. The mushrooms I'm just going to halve. I'm going to take the Tabasco, put a few dashes of Tabasco in here, as well as some of the Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to take the cream of mushroom soup and just pour it over our beef bundle. So I'm going to take the aluminum foil and seal it all up. That's one. Do the other one. In my family, we like a lot of onion. And of course, you can adjust the veggies and what you put in this to your own specifications. Again, a little Worcestershire. We like a little Tabasco. And if you don't like Tabasco, you don't like spicy things, you can choose not to put that in. And finish with our golden mushroom soup. So there are 2 beef bundles, and I got the grill pretty much heating up. So on my grill I have 4 burners, some with more of a searing station. And I lit that just to get the grill nice and hot. I'm going to turn it off. And then I have 2 burners facing here and here, and the last burner over here. And I got that last one off. It's a great place where you make some veggies if you want, as you're grilling steaks, things like that. But I'm going to take the 2 beef bundles. I'm going to put them in between the 2 burners. The great thing about this recipe is you put the bundles on the grill and you just let them cook there inside the foil for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we'll put each one in a pasta bowl. We'll let these rest for about 5 minutes. And we usually just eat them out of the tin foil, kind of a picnic style. But of course, if you wanted, you could up the tin foil and scoop them into a nicer bowl for better presentation if you like. But in about 5 minutes, we'll open these up and you will see the meal you cannot refuse. So I've opened up our beef bundles. I think them cool off a little bit before we dive in. But as you can see here, they are just a really nice mixture of potatoes and carrots, mushroom, onions, and stew meat, all in this golden mushroom sauce with just a little bit of Worcestershire and Tabasco. And you can add more Tabasco as you're eating if you want it a little bit hotter. That's usually what I like to do, or some type of hot sauce. I like spicy. It's just a great, simple way to cook a meal on the grill without having to worry about turning things and checking things. Happy grilling.